What is SEO? SEO is an acronym for Search Engine Optimization and is a set of techniques and practices that enables you to drive more visitors to your web pages. To understand SEO, let's look more at how search engine optimization works. When searching for information on the internet, most users will type in a phrase and then click on one of the links on the first page of the search results. But have you ever wondered how those web pages at the top of your search results got there? The answer is because they were search engine optimized. Exactly how the search engine algorithms work is not publicly known, but the fundamental principles have been identified and form the basis of SEO. SEOs can be split into three parts: on-page SEO, technical SEO, and off-page SEO. On-page SEO, also referred to as on-site SEO, optimizes your web pages, including visible content and the HTML source code, to rank higher in search engines. Search engines look at your page content to determine whether it's a relevant result for the search query. Part of this process involves looking for keywords. Your chances for a better ranking increase when your website contains the same words as the phrase being searched. Keywords are especially effective when used carefully in a website title, address, or headings. Technical SEO covers those things that directly impact the indexing and crawling of your site by search engines. This includes site speed optimization, structured data, canonicalization, and security such as HTTPS. Off-page SEO covers all SEO tactics that take place outside of your own website. Tactics such as link building, brand and citation building, content marketing, and establishing a social media presence all play a vital role in off-page SEO. These signals help both search engines and users establish a perception of your site's authority and are also used as key trust and relevance factors. Generally, you would want to rank in the top 10 search engine results for your chosen keywords. Most SEO techniques focus on ranking high on Google since it is the largest search engine, but the techniques are broadly applicable to other search engines, such as Bing and Yahoo. To rank above your competitors in the search engine results, you will need a comprehensive SEO strategy, which should include identifying the right keywords, creating high-quality, unique content, and implementing best linking practices. Here are 5 steps you can follow to get you started with SEO. Step 1. Evaluation. The first step is to establish the baseline. How well does your website currently rank in the search engine result pages, referred to as SERPs? There are several SEO tools you can use to determine your website's position in search engine results for specific phrases. Google's Search Console is a great place to start. Step 2. Identify relevant keywords. You should research relevant keywords and then use those to plan and create your high-quality content. Keywords can be found through a process known as keyword research. When researching keywords, you should define relevant topics which are related to your business, check keyword search volumes, and analyze competitor websites. Finally, you should choose the most relevant keywords to your business, industry, and sector, which relate to search queries. Step 3. Develop quality content. Creating quality content is the most important thing you can do to optimize your website's position in organic search results. Build themes around your selected keywords to create content that gives answers to Google searches, is relevant to the search phrase, and is useful to the user. Step 4. Apply technical SEO techniques. Technical SEO has a big influence on web pages' search visibility. It is good to check that technical factors and website performance is in line with SEO best practices. The most important areas to focus on are responsiveness, security, mobile friendliness, and web page loading speed across all devices. Step 5. Developing domain authority. The most valuable links are so-called backlinks or inbound links. These are links in the content of an external website with a high authority to your website and web pages. Think of inbound links as votes, which can have a real impact on your domain authority. High authority sites are reliable, popular, and rank high in search engines. When these kinds of sites use your page links, it will also increase your authority and ranking in Google and other search engines. Since most internet users use search engines to locate information, a high ranking can really help to bring a lot of potential visitors to your page. This is why search engine optimization has become a core practice in digital marketing. When compared to some other channels, such as social media or paid ads, organic traffic usually provides a much better return on investment. However, SEO is long-term work typically 6 months or more before you see any benefits, and gives the best results when regularly maintained. What we have just covered provides a basic introduction to SEO. To learn more about search engine optimization and digital marketing, click on the link below or subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.